Hi, it's Shu here, and I'm going to show you how to draw a meerkat. Let's not talk about it, let's do it. So to draw a meerkat, we're going to start off with this sort of shape on the top. A sort of straight line with two curves on either end, and then we'll do a similar kind of shape on each side, and these are the ears. And then come down, a little flick in around the corner like that. And then we're going to put the arms in, so they're going to come around down like that, nice curves like that, and then similar kind of curve coming down there and down there, and then we want kind of a thumb and 1, 2, 3, 4, some thumb and a 1, 2, 3, 4. You can just scribble those in a bit, and then we're going to draw two eyes. Put a little dot in the middle, and then we want to make them kind of black eyes, really, sort of big rings around them, like that, because that's how they look, and that's kind of part of their meerkatness. And then we want a little kind of flat nose, and nearly shade that all in, just leave a little bit of white up at the top for sort of shininess of the nose, and then the mouth comes pretty much just straight out of the nose like that. Then we want a little bit underneath for the lip, then put a line in there for the ears so you can hear what's going on, and a couple of little eyebrows as well. And while we're up at the top here, let's put some whiskers in. 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to sort of put the rest of the body in, coming down into the tummy, and then from about here we can draw the hips, and then that really is kind of the tummy down there. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are his feet. You don't need to draw anything too clever for the feet. That's a little sand pile or whatever, a little stone or something that he's sitting on while he's keeping watch for all his friends and neighbours, because that's what meerkats do when they're standing up like that. And then let's just put in a little bit of fur, just kind of 2 little marks like that. You don't need to do too much for the fur. In fact, the more you do, the worse it looks. Thanks for watching. Make sure you're subscribed to Draw Stuff Real Easy, and keep coming back for lots more drawings every week. In the meantime, keep drawing, drawing, drawing. Practice, 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 and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye-bye.